Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I'm doing a new little test. So this is the battery. This is a GoldBat 100C 1300 milliamp battery that I crashed with last week in Denver. As you can see, it's from the crash, but otherwise it was good. No puffiness, nothing broke through. I wrapped it in some electrical tape. I charged it up and all the cells were fine. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it to my Freestyle Rig, and I'm going to go ahead and fly it. And I'm going to see how well these held up now that the plastic cover took off and everything like that, to make sure that everything's okay. Alright guys, so as you can see from the flight footage, everything is good and I'm feeling it, and it's not hot at all. And yeah, so I'm still impressed by these batteries. For the GoldBat batteries, for being budget batteries, they are really nice. So thanks guys for tuning in for the short test. Hope you enjoy the flight footage, and I'll see you guys next time. While you're waiting for that next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.